Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna start talking about data types, and the first data type we're gonna start talking about is the integer. So integers are a very common used data type. It is used to access indexes and such. So it's a good way to start learning about data types. So to create an integer, you guys just type int, okay, which stands for integer, and you need to give a name. So the name need to follow a couple of rules. For example, I cannot do int, okay? This is not valid, but I could do int. Let's say I want to store my age. I could do int age, for example. So you guys need to be aware of these rules. You cannot have any number here. For example, age 5 age. I cannot do this, but I can do age 5, for example. This is valid. I cannot do age percent. This is not valid. So there's only one special character that you guys can use, which is the underline at the beginning, which is very used actually. So you guys need to be aware of this. If not, you guys will have compiler error. So let's start by creating a simple variable called int age equals, let's say, 36. Okay, so this is a very simple example, and I want to see this on the screen. So let's call system.out.println and age. So you guys can actually print numbers using this, and you guys can see here 36. So what happens if I don't pass any value here? Let's execute. We get an error saying one or more projects were compiled with errors. Application we are running may end unexpectedly. So you guys need to initialize the variable. If you don't know, if you don't have a good answer to start a variable, you guys can just start by doing equals 0. So this is usually what we do. Okay. So you guys can start a variable here and initialize here. You guys can do this. It works just as fine. So you guys need just to be aware of this. So integers, just so you guys have an idea, they used for whole numbers. Okay, so you cannot use integers to store, let's say, currencies or things that need precision. It is only used to count whole things such as indexes and such. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.